According to a draft of the proposed policy, the standard applies to all employers in the state. It requires them to develop a heat illness prevention and management plan. They would also have to give workers breaks and access to water when temperatures are high. Now, as mentioned, under the proposed standards, when temperatures reach 90 degrees, employers will have to give workers a 10-minute break every 2 hours. At 100 degrees or above, the break increases to 15 minutes each hour. The employer shall make 32 ounces of water available at no cost to each exposed employee. When heat procedures are in effect, an employer shall monitor exposed employees for signs of heat-related illness with regular communication through phone calls, radios, or a buddy system. The employer should also provide annual heat stress training. Now, MOSH held a public hearing on Friday soliciting ideas to make the proposal even stronger. Suggestions covered a wide range of areas. Some were not included in the draft proposal.
Anti-retaliation provisions be included as a mandatory subject of training for workers so that they know with absolute clarity their rights to pursue problems with heat and to file claims about heat if their employer doesn't redress them. Another is that the breaks for the high heat provision should be paid.
One section may be climate controlled or air conditioned. Another section may not be. So how would a building in that instance be covered here?
Unless, however, this standard is effectively enforced to mandate that employers implement protective standards, workers will continue to risk dying on the job from heat exposure.
Employers need to be required to have meaningful input from workers into the development of the heat illness prevention plan.
Once approved, Maryland would join 5 other states that already have these types of rules in place. The new state standard could be implemented by next summer. Reporting live from the newsroom, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.